Namaste. So today's our practical aim is detection of elements like nitrogen, sulfur, and halogens by Lessing's test. So first, let us know what is Lessing's test. Nitrogen, sulfur, and halogen present in the organic compound are determined or detected by the Lessing's test. Here, a small piece of sodium metal is heated in a fusion tube with the organic compound, and the principle is that in going on sodium convert all the element into the ionic form. The formed ionic salt are extracted from the fused mass by boiling it with distilled water, and this is called sodium fusion extract. So here first test for is for nitrogen. The extract is boiled with iron sulfate and acidified with concentrated H2SO4. The appearance on Persian blue color indicate the presence of nitrogen here. The acid help in the oxidation of ferrous ion to ferric ion, and the formation of ferrous cyanide indicate the presence of nitrogen. The test is not given by diazonium salt as they decompose to give nitrogen gas on heating. Next is the sulfur. The extraction is treated with the sodium nitroprusside. The appearance of violet color indicate the presence of sulfur in this. Here we can see the reactions which occur. Next is sodium nitroprusside test. As I told, during the preparation of Lessing's extract, sulfur from the organic compound react with the sodium to form sodium sulfide. It gives a purple color with sodium nitroprusside due to the formation of sodium thionitroprusside. So by its purple color we can determine the sodium nitroprusside test it is called. We can define the sulfur in this. Next is lead acetate test. Sodium sulfide formed during the preparation of Lessing's test react with the lead acetate to yield the lead sulfide as a black precipitate. So if black precipitate is come out as a result of the test, it contain the sulfur. So this is second test. Next is test for halogen. The extract is acidified with the nitric acid, and then it is treated with silver nitrate, a white precipitate soluble in ammonia indicate the presence of chlorine. A yellowish precipitate separate sparking soluble in ammonia indicate the presence of bromine, and a yellow precipitate insoluble in ammonia indicate the presence of iron. So here is the separation test, silver nitrate test. But first is for chloride. During the preparation of Lessing's extract, so chloride from the organic compound react with the sodium to form sodium chloride. Sodium chloride give a white precipitate of silver chloride, and with silver nitrate solution the precipitate is soluble in the ammonium hydroxide. Second is bromine. Sodium bromide formed during the preparation of Lessing's extract react with the silver nitrate to form pale yellow precipitate, as I told you, of silver bromide, which is sparklingly soluble in the ammonium hydroxide. Next is iodine. Sodium iodine formed during the preparation of sodium fusion extract react with the silver nitrate solution, as I told, and it yellow precipitate of silver iodine, which is insoluble in ammonium hydroxide. Next test is carbon disulfide test. When the sodium bromide and the sodium iodine in the Lessens extract is treated with the chlorine water, the bromide and the iodine oxidize to the corresponding halogen. This halogen dissolve in carbon disulfide, bromine impact orange color and iodine impact violet color in the carbon disulfide layer. So by this violet color, orange color of bromine impact orange color, and iodine impact violet color, we can easily determine the what metal is it. So for this, thank you. If you have any query, you can comment below. Thank you.